Now I'm going to do the following. I have to be sure that the developer ribbon is activated. Options, customize ribbon. This should be checked. Developer. Okay, then from the developer, I click on Visual Basic and I add here a module. Okay, modules. For each, we can see here, for each Excel file, you have a 𝗂𝗵𝗴 project associated to it. Okay, if you save it this as a macro-enabled workbook. So here, modules. I'm going to click here on Insert Module. Click on this, you get Module 1. Here I'm going to create a user-defined function. So public function series as range. So I'm going to define basically a function which gets an input which is a range, an Excel range, so a cell or a set of cells. And here I'm going to do the following. I'm going to give an input which is series name as range, where range is basically an Excel cell. Okay, so any cell here or a group of cells. This is a range. Okay, I'm going back here. Here I'm going to do the following. I call it range. Okay, I will show you later. Value is equal to point value. Okay, I can also omit this, so automatically. Now I'm going to see the range. The main range to put here is basically this one. So I'm going to copy this. Okay. So if I get the range with this name, the name that I have as an input, and will substitute the value in that range. And I'm going to my function here. I'm going to do the following. So here we have this. Now, in this place, I'm going to copy my function here. And as the value of this function, I'm going to give this B3. I have always 6, if you remember, and highlight series doesn't work, okay, because I need a way to update B3. Okay, if I'm here, you see, this is not updated, it's always cells. But if I use now the function hyperlink, and I include my function inside, okay, I'm gonna now drag this. You see now that my cursor over the cell is now a pointer, like, because it recognized that there is an hyperlink. I'm gonna drag this. Okay, now I drag this, and you see that now my function is working. Just using the hyperlink. Okay, that's as simple as that. Using a Visual Basic function and two basically native Excel function, I created an amazing dashboard. Here you can set the title here. We didn't do this. You can type this, merge, use the same. Okay, this is of course white. The color is maybe this. You can choose one you want. Okay, So we created really a very here just moving here is change. If I, for example, I'm gonna cells. Okay, I want to show you this, so I'm going to just hide this column. Just pay attention to this. You see, the table is updated automatically. Okay, here expenses, profits. Okay, just with this mouse over effect. I create a very simple dashboard with just a few functions. We use basically here the match function, the index function, the sum function here, and here we use the if error hyperlink function, and here a Visual Basic for applications function, and we created an amazing dashboard. Okay.